Here's the CAMDUCK-XN, a 4K hidden camera wall charging mount with night vision. Let's look inside. You get your user manual, an open tool and USB memory card reader, the wall mount unit, which can record in 1080p or 4K with a 160-degree wide-angle lens, wireless remote viewing via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and night vision. It has 4 power outlets, 2 USB charging ports, and 1 USB-C charging port. Motion detection feature for real-time alerts, and it works with iOS and Android phones and tablets. You can live view and record 24/7 with a memory card. The hidden camera is right here, and the infrared lamp for low light or no light. Remove the back cover with the removal tool. And insert your memory card into the slot, and be sure to format first within the app, otherwise it may not be recognized. Plug it into the wall anywhere in your house. And it can be used to power up or charge many electronics and household products. It's also rated for 110 to 240 volts, so it has dual voltage. Now download the CAMDUCK app from the Play Store. Also turn on your Bluetooth and to connect to it if you don't have Wi-Fi network for remote viewing. Connect to the CAMDUCK Wi-Fi to add the camera to the app. Now connect to your Wi-Fi. And when you restart the app, you'll see your CAMDUCK camera ready to go. From here you can take photos, record video, view album, check alarm messages, switch from 1080 to 4K, and rotate view flip horizontally or vertically or both. Adjust brightness and contrast. You can view your album, download clips, and share them. You also have access to other products, the user manual with many tutorials and videos, and contact support. Here's some footage. If you're looking for a hidden camera to blend in unnoticeable in your house, to watch over your children, pets, or for home security, then take a look at CAMDUCK-XN. Check the link in the description for more info and where you can get it today. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And until next time.